guys, welcome back. So my wife decided her Santa Fe needed black emblems, but of course the OEM black emblems are almost $150 shipped, and I'm definitely not spending that kind of money on some emblems. Today I'm going to show you how to do it yourself for a fraction of the cost. It's fun, easy, and honestly pretty satisfying, so let's get started. First things first, mask off the surrounding areas. I'm using a peelable rubber coating, also known as Plastidip. In my case, I've got the Rust-Oleum version of it. Why Rust-Oleum? Because I've used their products before and they make good stuff. You don't actually need to mask off every edge of the letters. Don't worry, I'll show you why that's the case later on this video, but for now, just mask it off like this. Before we get trigger happy and start spraying, let's talk about the conditions. For the best results, the ambient temperature should be between 50 degrees and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and humidity below 65, which today is the perfect day for me, and the spray tip should be 8 to 12 inches away from the surface. If you follow these guidelines, you'll be golden. Start with light coats. The first 4 coats should be barely there. Light misting is what you want. Then move on to medium coats for that nice, rich black finish. I did 5 medium coats after the initial 4 light ones, and it turned out great. Remember, patience is key. Give each layer about 5 minutes to dry. And whatever you do, don't linger in one spot for too long or you'll get the runs. And nobody likes the runs. Once you're done, here comes the magic. Peeling off the excess. This is why I said you don't have to mask the edges of the letters earlier. The rubber coating is peelable, so it comes off cleanly around the letters, leaving that sleek OEM style black finish. And there you have it, DIY black emblems that look just as good as the expensive OEM ones. Honestly, this took just a few bucks and a little bit of time. My wife loves it, and now her Santa Fe has a fresh, modern look. If you try this out, let me know how it goes. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.